Good evening, Washburn staff. I just wanted to send this information out about the Washburn remodel that will be taking place this summer, 2016. In here are some facts and some guides to help you in this process over the next few months. If you have any questions at any time, you can write them down on a note card and give them to Susan. Susan will collect those. We will get those answered, and then we will get the responses out to you either directly or through this slideshow on Google Docs. I'm not going to read everything verbatim. Just know that we will be having boxes shipped out to us. You will use those boxes for packing, and along with those boxes, you'll receive labels. Those labels will be for your boxes, but also for large items that you would like put back in your room, such as a desk, chair, um, filing cabinet, etc. All electronics that you have in your room, Chromebooks, Macs, all that wonderful stuff should be returned to Mary prior to June 2nd, and that will be either in the media center or music room where we will be storing that stuff. When you're packing stuff up, I had mentioned filing cabinets. They do ask that filing cabinets are emptied to the point where they're about half full. That way they're easier for them to maneuver, and you can just put that other stuff in those boxes that will be labeled as well. June 3rd, last day of school. We need to be out of here by 3:42. 3:42 means 3:42. That's Susan, myself, all staff. Everybody needs to be out because they will start demolition the very next day. So that leaves us with the question, what do we do on Monday, June 6th? I am looking into that to find out if we need to report somewhere or if that time can just be comped for um, things done prior to that, such as packing and moving. I will let you read the rest of this stuff on your own. It's suggested that you take home anything that you will need the first 2 weeks of school, just as a precaution. Also take home things that will not play well with the heat, such as crayons, glue sticks, CDs, DVDs, etc. Um, Also, any furniture or lamps that you may have that are semi-fragile, you may want to take those home because all of this equipment, boxes, etc., will be housed inside of trailers on site, but there's no guarantee on the safety of those issues, I guess you would say. Also, during the summer, there's no entrance in the school. It's going to be a hard hat zone pretty much the entire time, so nobody will be allowed in the school, and nobody means nobody, even myself and Susan. Other things that we need to think about, when can we get back into the school? If you're not going to be here next year, some information on those things. So please take the time to look those over. Again, if you have any questions, let us know. If there's anything we can do to help you in this process, let me know. This isn't meant to be stressful right now. We'll have plenty of resources. We'll have a plan in place for getting stuff packed up. Other areas of the school getting packed up as well, so that we are ready to be out of here at 3:42 on June 3rd. Again, here's some things that should be taken home, some things to think about. The purge, we will have dumpsters on site, so it will be a good time to get rid of stuff that maybe you've been holding on to for a little bit longer than needed, and it'll be a great time to get rid of those items in those dumpsters. Last page here, things that need to be done and some dates. Again, we will not be able to get back in the school, and there are things that need to be done prior to the last day of school that need to happen for next school year. So look at these dates, make sure those things happen by the scheduled date. Lastly, again, thank you for all of your time and effort this year. I know it's that time of year where things get a little bit stressful for all of you, and I understand that, and I appreciate your efforts on a daily basis. So if there's anything I can do for any of you, let me know. Can't make any promises, but I'm definitely here to help, and we have other resources as well to help out. So keep up the good work. Any questions, again, let me know. If you have any concerns, let us know so we can address those prior to the big move. It's an exciting time. Um, our school is going to look completely different, 6, 7 months from now. So have a great evening, have great conferences, and we'll talk to you soon.